Saturday, and people typically show you like a very aesthetic weekend resets. I don't have one of those. I am very busy and I have lots of different things going on. So I'm gonna show you a real weekend reset and what that actually looks like and what I try to prioritize when I have a lot of things on my plate, a lot of things going on, a lot of things happening in here, but I still have to show up and make things happen in my household. So let's get started. It's Saturday evening, spent the day doing all kinds of stuff. It's now time to take care of the household, and I gotta figure out dinner. I gotta still fold lots of laundry because the laundry never ends. And I gotta get ready for tomorrow because I got some business stuff that I still gotta do for on Sunday. So reset with me in a very unaesthetic way. So for dinner, Lucky wants hot links. So I was gonna get her some hot links with buns. What do you, and Kamiko's gonna eat that too. What do you wanna do? Oh, I don't want that. I don't want to eat that. I could eat some fish here. I was thinking of salmon pasta. Okay, sounds good. All right, since we figured out dinner, I need to do an Instacart order. So let's do that really fast. I'm gonna order from Smith's. Good old Instacart. You're gonna order with me. All right, we'll try to order together. Do we have ketchup and mustard? Let's see. Hopefully we do. Do we have, oh, actually this is perfect because I got some really cute mustard from French's. Look how cute this is. It's Minions. The girls are gonna love these. So cute. Let's make sure we got ketchup. Oh, I don't think we have ketchup. Ketchup, let's make sure it's still good though. Still good. Put it in the refrigerator for now. Ketchup, mustard, buns. I don't think we need anything else. I'm making salmon pasta for me and Belle. I think we're good. I think, ooh, do I have any capers though? We need capers. Order some capers. Got butter, got the capers. They're probably gonna want, oh, ice cream. Kids always want ice cream. Lucky loves vanilla. And I think we're good. Let's start on this pasta. All right, before we do anything, we have got to clean the kitchen. Can't cook in a dirty kitchen, okay? Come with me while we do that. The way I keep my nails is that the girls are taking a shower or a bath, but gotta have my gloves. Otherwise, the press-ons will fall off. And I just put these on yesterday, so we got to preserve these for a week, but I gotta unload the dishwasher first. So let's do that first. So can you pick up pick up the stuff off the table. Kamiko, can you put your stuff over there so you don't forget it when Grandma comes? Put it in my office. We got more stuff over here, like the tablets and toys. Thank you, sweetie. Thanks for helping. I appreciate it.
Miko, what? You need those. What?
We have this long island that I absolutely love, but it gets so much clutter on it. So we need to pick up the clutter because what's the point of having this long island if it's always cluttery, right?
Devagar, como brisa fresca do mar, amor na cidade que nunca se cansa de amar. O morro canta baixinho, a favela respira e a bossa na noite o coração inspira. Janelas abertas, a noite chegou com todo o encanto que o rio guardou. A noite noite de bossa me leva pra dançar, estrelas no céu, o mar a sussurrar, saudade brasileira em ritmo de luar, bossa nova, amor pra eternidade ficar. Noite encantada, não quero que vá. Bossa no coração pra sempre ficará. Café na calçada, conversas sem fim no ar, teu sorriso ilumina.
Went to see Cat's Eye Wild Hearts the other night, and a little girl gave this to Lucky, and it was so sweet because we love us some Mano. We love you, Mano. We miss you. So freaking cute. See? It's okay. I'll just rub it in. All right, let's braid your hair. You want me to braid your hair too?
I don't know.
Oh, sorry, Lucky.
It's fine.
Are you okay? Didn't mean to scratch you.
Oh, you did it. I was just itchy.
It's itchy.
Is the video starting?
It's already recording right now. You can scooch. You're in it, Lisa.
No!
Behind Lucky. Did you put anything in your hair?
No.
No.
Hi. 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 I love you. I fell. Okay, anyway, what are we talking about? Mustard?
No, we're not talking about mustard right now.
Why not? We're talking.
We're just doing your hair.
I'll go get the mustard after this.
We don't have to talk about the
Oh,
mustard.
we're talking about the mustard. I said so.
You want to watch Minions while you talk about it?
Guess so.
You guess so? Can you get on the other side now? Yeah. Oh my gosh, I can't believe her. Come on, silly. What happened?
She put glitter on me.
Oh. Maybe I need you to scooch up. Thank you.
Okay, this is.
Careful, don't mess up the thing.
Okay. Ow!
Sorry.
This is the mustard
They can see it.
that I don't know who this man or woman gave my mom.
Well,
And-
French's mustard gave it to me to share.
Okay. And this is Minion. I don't know. No. I don't. And this is the monster. And and can you say which one do you want to use?
They both are mustard flavor. No different flavor. One's just green and one's Minion yellow.
Okay.
You gonna do Minion yellow?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And we're gonna eat some hot wings. And shoot, not hot wings. And I'm gonna put this and see what color it is. And I
Alright.
hope it's yellow. I mean, not yellow, green. I hope this is yellow. Like Minion yellow.
You guys are so silly. Alright, I'm gonna keep cleaning up.
Okay.
What are you doing? Stop, don't ruin my video. Helping out.
Bye.
No, can I have my camera back, please? Thank you. Whoa. They're crazy, aren't they? What's up, honey?
Is this Matt?
Yeah, those look good. Yeah, that's good. That's good too. With shoes.
T-shirt.
Yeah, that looks good. I like it.
Thank you. What about this?
Yeah, I actually like that. I like brown looks good on you. So.
I look great, bro. Thank you.
Thanks, man. Arlo. And there's Silly Ghost with her haircut for the summer. She'll be curly again soon. Hi, boy. Hi, Arlo. Oh, hi, Ghost. Hi, puppies. Hi, oh, Lord. So much love. I know, they love me. They're so sweet.
What, Ghost wants to get on camera?
Yeah. So we figured out last minute that we're gonna do a staycation for Lucky's birthday in a couple weeks. So I'm gonna pitch some brands and see if they want to partner together, because I'm gonna be in Vegas. Why not highlight and showcase my time and help some businesses out at the same time by leveraging my platform, since I have so many Vegas followers and an audience that I've been so awesome, just honored to be able to build. Might as well take advantage of it while I can. You know what I'm saying? It's a win-win for everybody. So I haven't updated my media kit in a minute, so I'm going to do that right now. I've been thankful I haven't had to in a minute. But better late than never, right? So my media kit came out really good. Did this within, well, basically less than an hour. But we looking good, y'all. So I did not get everything that I was intending to get done for this reset, but I did get a lot done. Very productive Saturday evening, nonetheless.
There's always tomorrow.
There is always tomorrow, as Zell said. So still got laundry to finish. Got lots to close up for needle and stitch tomorrow. But yeah, tomorrow's always a new day. So I'm gonna get cleaned up. But thanks for hanging with us tonight. But make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment if there was something that moved you in today's video. What's up?
Are you doing a YouTube channel?
I am doing
So
it.
you're only doing an Instagram channel.
No, I'm everywhere, baby. I do all the platforms. But yes, I'm working hard on YouTube so we can do YouTube things.
Even. So you work with ChatGPT.
I work with all kinds of tools.
So you work with the people who made a barbecue sauce and ketchup and mustard.
Yes, with French's, yes. Yeah.
So you work with me.
I work with you, yes.
I'm the boss.
You're the boss? I mean, it feels like it sometimes.
Well, I mean, you give me a lot of power in this house.
Yeah.
Oh, and when I get a YouTube channel, I want you guys to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna be a gamer.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Good night, guys.
Wait.
Oh, wait.
Bye.
Good night. It is a little bit over 8 o'clock, and we've got laundry, because laundry never ever ends. We're gonna knock this out before we head over to needle and stitch. Just wanted to wrap up the entire non-aesthetic. Just found it back. It's cute, by the way. But wrap up the non-aesthetic reset and just say that whenever I do any of these, which is honestly every freaking week, one, just recognizing that it never ends. It's a continuous thing, and that's okay. And then the other thing being done is better than perfect. So there's always going to be more laundry. There's always going to be more to do. Like, I feel like I have more laundry to do. So, I mean, I have another load of laundry in the washing machine. So the to-do list of life just never ends. And I'm thankful for the abundance. I'm thankful for the abundance of busy sometimes. I'm definitely in the season of, I don't want to be busy just for the sake of being busy. I want intentional busy that's going to not always have to be fun, but busy that's going to give me momentum towards the life that I want to have. And sometimes that looks like laundry, because I like a clean house. I like to be able to see the things. I know Lucky likes to be able to find the favorite t-shirt. Mom, have you seen my shirt? So, yeah. I'm just here to remind you that done is better than perfect. And things are always changing and evolving. So, I hope you understand. My life isn't always so glamorous over here. I wake up looking like a hot mess too, a little crunchy. Alright, I'll catch y'all next time. Hopefully this was helpful for someone. If it was, tell me. I'd love to know. Oh, you might be wondering. I am sipping on a caramel latte, and someone at school made this pistachio bread. I'm gonna try it. It smells so good. Oh my god. The girls were eating this last night. I was totally see why they're obsessed. That's bad, but it's like so good. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy my little slither of pistachio bread. I'll see y'all later. Bye.